Hello, my name is Lilian Okibe. Welcome to my channel. So I'm very excited for this video because in today's video I'm going to be trying perm rods on my locks. Now this is actually going to be the first time I'll be doing any like style like this since I started my locks. So I'm pretty excited. I have no idea. Well, I kind of have an idea how my hair will look because I've seen like several tutorials already, but I'm still not sure how my hair is going to turn out. So if you guys would like to see my results, my perm rod set results, then definitely keep on watching. So those of you that have been following me for a while, you guys have seen this already on my channel. I used to use this. I've used it I think once or twice when I was a loose natural. So this is the perm rod I'm going to be using. But the thing is, I have just 24 perm rods, so and I have 178 locks, and my locks are kind of bulky, right? So I cannot really use like too many locks on one perm rod. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting the rods just around this hair here in front. So I'm going to have like some coils around here, then the rest of my hair will be like normal. So let's do that. Let me put the rest of my hair in a ponytail to get it out of the way. So now that I've done that, all I'm going to be using for this style is water. So I'll first go ahead and wet. I'm just going to go ahead and wet that section. This is not holding it properly. Let me use a scarf instead to put the rest of my hair away. So yeah, that's much better. Like even this small section here, I feel like I have more than 24. I feel like I have more than 24 locks here. So when I run out of the perm rods, then I'll probably move to the flexi rod. Let's just see how it goes. So all I'm doing is basically I'm just going to be taking my lock one by one, and then I'll be wrapping it around the perm rod. If it's dry, I'll go ahead and dampen it a little bit. Then I'm just going to wrap it around loose. I'm wrapping it in such a way that I'm not pulling my hair too much because I don't want like my locks to like lose the like bulk that they have on the ends, because like some of my locks have already like bulked up at the end. I don't want to destroy that, so I'm not going to be pulling too tight. I'm going to leave a link in my description box where you can get like similar perm rods. I got this like a long time ago, but I'm going to see if I can find something similar online so that you guys can get if you're interested. Some people usually use like mousse for setting their locks, but I feel like there's no need for that, so that's why I'm using just water. Plus I don't want to put anything in my hair that will end up causing build up in the future. So I have run out of perm rods and I'm not done like doing everything. I still have like this section here, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Like this is going to be just an experiment just to see how my hair reacts. So I don't think I'm going to use the perm rods, like the flexi rods rather. So I'll just leave my hair like this to air dry. It's already night, so I'll go to bed now and leave it to air dry overnight. Then I'll come back tomorrow to unravel and see how it looks. And maybe the next time I do it, I'll do it on my whole head. So see you guys tomorrow. So I'm back and it's the next day. It's actually 24 hours, like exactly 24 hours since the last clip you guys saw. And I actually wanted to come here earlier to take down the rods, but I didn't go anywhere today, so I just was not in the mood. So it's actually night already, so now I'm just going to take it down and see how it looks and go to sleep. So let's do that. I believe my hair is completely dry now, so I don't think I should have any issues with like damp locks. And I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I hope this comes out nice. But if it does not come out nice, like, it's no big deal. I'm just going to like spray some water and take my hair back to how it was before. Like, once I get it wet, it's the curls will go away, so that's not a big deal. So that's why I'm not really bothered. But I just hope it comes out nice. If it comes out nice, at least I'll know that, okay, I have a style that I can do when I feel like doing something different with my looks. So far, I think it's coming out nice. Like, my hair actually, like, my locks actually held the coils, even though I did not use any products. Like, I just used water. So that's a good thing. Ooh, I have a feeling that this is going to come out really cute. I have a feeling that this is going to come out really cute, and I'm so excited. Ooh. Ooh. I feel like when my locks get like longer, I'll be able to pull off like almost any style that, like, any like rod style or like setting style that I could pull off with my loose natural hair, and it will even probably be cuter. That's what I think. But you guys just have to wait to find out if it's going to be like that. I remember when I did perm rod set on my loose natural hair, like, I wasn't really pleased with my results, right? I did it, okay, when I did it on like my afro, it wasn't that bad, but it's not like I was such a huge fan of it. And then I did it again. I did like braid and coil, and that one was just rough. It wasn't cute at all, you know. But I think this is going to be nice. Like, so far the ones I've removed, like, you guys can see how it's coming out. It's coming along like really nice. So I think this will look better on my locks than it looked when I tried it on my loose natural hair. So I'm done removing all the rods, and like, without doing anything to my hair, this is what it looks like. And it doesn't actually look that bad. I wonder how it would have looked like. I feel like it would have looked way nicer if I had like done this all over my hair. But let me just go ahead and style my hair how I normally do, and just like try to see how it will look. So I'm back, and like, this is what my hair looks like. I have coils just here because this is like the only part where I put the rods, and I like it. I actually like how it turned out. I feel like if I had done this on like all over my hair, or at least like everywhere like this, and I just left like back this last section like straight, so have come out like really cute. I feel like the rods gave like this area a little bit more volume, and like, you know, and I like how it looks. Like, I feel like it gave my hair a different kind of vibe. And I like it, so I'm definitely going to be trying this again. How soon, I don't know. I'm going to need to get some more rods if I'm going to try this again. But I like how it looks. Like, let me know what you guys think. Do you think it looks cute, or do you think like it didn't make any difference, or do you think that my hair like straight looks better? Like, let me show you guys, just to give you guys an idea of like how curly, like how much of the coils it took. Like, look at, you can see that it actually coiled my locks. Like, all the locks that I like put rods in are actually coiled. So yeah, I'm actually really pleased with my result. Like, I'm so pleased with my result, like way more pleased with my result now than how I was when I did this on my loose natural hair. So yeah. With that, we got to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time on my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me, I make so many videos about locks and loose natural hair, so definitely subscribe if you're interested in content like that. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.
We're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions.